So I will show you how to use it properly. Not very complicated, but that's some kind of nuances how to do it. So the treatment comes in the box like this, and each box contains everything what you need to perform 5 treatments. So that's coming like this. It's a pharmaceutical packaging, special pre-dosed vials. So you need to open everything and to apply in the right numbers and everything. You see, you get the numbers on the vials, so literally you cannot do any mistakes. And that's instruction which we put on the box, so that's quite easy to perform. So I will start with a cleanser. I am applying the cleanser called Energy Net. That's a very special cleanser containing high concentration of niacinamide. That's an active form of vitamin B3, and that's not only cleans up the skin but make the skin more permeable. So all active ingredients, all product which you can apply after the cleansing will work better and will penetrate more deeply, what is very important for the wrinkle treatment. So I mass with a little circle movement. You can apply the product all around the eyes area, your eyelids, to be cleansed, to be stimulated. Also, this cleanser contains some probiotics called keratoline, which help to cleanse up your skin more deeply. So I apply the product and I mass a little bit. With accent on the zone of active mimic, like this. In the clinic practice, all our skin therapists are using gloves, but when you are performing treatment for yourself, you can go with no gloves. Don't forget about lips. And when the cleanser penetrated a little bit the skin, you cleanse up the skin properly. That's my micellar principle of cleansing. And in the same time, you can feel the little tingling. That's perfectly normal. That's how niacinamide works. So after that, I just wash out my face and my neck with water. So look, now my skin is perfectly clean. A little bit pink. That's perfectly normal health reaction to the vitamin B3. Do not be afraid of. It's a normal reaction of the skin, and it's a sign then you get an oxygen in your skin. That's like an oxygen explosion in your skin, and it's make your skin more permeable. So you can provide it with more active ingredients, with more effect. That's not all about the cleansing. The second step of the cleansing, that's exfoliation, number 2. That's a professional mask called Enzipil. So I am applying the mask, the full dosage. That's 5 milliliters, 1 teaspoon. You see, like this. Be generous with yourself. Apply it like a mask. And please pay attention, I didn't dry off my skin. I just wash up the first cleanser, and I am applying the Enzipil mask on the wet skin, because enzymes like to be wet and warm. They are working better in this condition. So I am applying this product, and you can leave this product as a mask for a couple of minutes until 5 minutes. If your skin is oily, if you have comedones, black point, if your skin is quite thick, you can apply this mask and keep it for 5 minutes. Also, if you would like to make it work more deeply, you can watch my another video on the YouTube how to cleanse up a skin like a pro, when I'm showing some special tips. If your skin is thin and sensitive, please do not mask this product. Just leave it on the skin as a mask for a couple of minutes after you will wash it up. And I will show how you proceed if you have normal resistant skin, not too thin, not too sensitive. So imagine I kept this mask for 3 minutes. That's professional mask, more intense, so you don't need to keep it so long time as we are doing with home care mask. And after you are starting to mask and to exfoliate the skin gently, accentuating on the zone when you have mimic activity, when you have expression wrinkles. That's glabella, forehead in total. Oh gosh, I miss real facial. Even me, I am a dermatologist with a huge experience. I started to work in '96, and even me, when you are performing treatment on yourself, it's not the same. I always prefer to get the treatment from colleagues, but this time will come. So crow's feet. I exfoliate the zone more properly, very gently under the eyes, very gently on the eyelids, under the eyebrows. We tested ophthalmologically this product, so that's perfectly safe, but that's not the reason to put it directly into the eye. No of cosmetic product should be applied directly onto the eye. And unavailable folds, nose. That's a common mistake of beginners. They never exfoliate nostrils. Chin, mouth corners. Don't forget about lips. And look at me now. I became pink and even red. That's a normal reaction for niacinamide. Professional products are quite intense. They're highly concentrated, so that's not the same reaction what you can get with your home care product. But please do not be afraid. That's perfectly normal. That's healthy. You can feel warm. You feel how your skin is breathing. And that's a sign, then you can wash it off. And now when I cleansed up and exfoliated my skin, look how your skin can look when it's cleansed up professionally. Yes, it's pink, but that's very, very clean, very deeply cleansed and exfoliated. So now that's the time I'm using the product number 3. That's called Serum Energy. That's an antioxidant serum, 5 milliliters of antioxidant serum, which will prepare your skin for peptides action, for the real anti-wrinkle action. And in the same time, that will provide you with antioxidant protection that's very highly concentrated. So you're applying directly onto your skin like this. That can be a little bit tingling. Don't worry, that's very highly concentrated. So you feel it, and your skin now it's cleansed so deeply, so you feel everything you're applying onto the skin. Look the line. What is funny about vitamin B3? That's acting only locally. So when I'm not applying the product lower, you can see the border. That's a product which you can really watch acting in the real time without any microscope. Be generous. That's a lot of products, but you need all of it. You need all 5 milliliters. Apply a little bit all around the eyes. Apply on glabella, forehead, crow's feet area. All around mouth, nasolabial folds. And don't forget about the neck. I'm 47 now, so I care a lot about my neck. Okay, have a look. 5 milliliters is done. And now it's a time for the proper anti-wrinkle action. Now I will use a concentrate, number 4, called Myo-Fix concentrate. And to apply this concentrate, I need the special device called cotton stick. Look, that's a concentrate. We have 2 milliliters of very highly concentrated emulsion containing 20% of neuromodulating peptides called arginine, leuphazil, and cinaic. They are acting very similarly to the botulinum toxin, but more superficially, and they need a time to accumulate the effect. So after the first treatment, you can get about 20-30% of anti-wrinkles action, but after that, treatment by treatment, week by week, that will accumulate. And if you started the treatment on the 14th weeks until probably 18th, 20th weeks after your last injection, you will extend your botulinum toxin effect for months after. Just be a bit patient. So I am applying the concentrate, yeah, like this, on the cotton stick. And after this, I am applying this product, rubbing the skin exactly on the place when you get an injection. For example, for the glabella vertical wrinkles, the injection point, it's here a little bit upper eyebrows. Why I'm applying with a cotton stick? Because peptides, they're very, very small molecules, they're low moleculars. So they're penetrating into the skin quite easily, but not only into the skin of the face, into the skin of your fingers too. So when you apply this product with your fingers, you're sharing peptides between your fingers and your face. And I am sure you don't need Botox-like effect on your fingers. You see that's 2 milliliters, that's a lot of product, but once again, be generous with yourself. That's the right time to be generous to you. Crow's feet. in the normal life you don't see in the treatment room how you look like in the time of the treatment. So look at me, pinky. For forehead wrinkles, you can just apply the product line by line. I'm imagining I have line, but I'm doing this treatment once a year, the course of the treatment since 2008. So I don't get any lines yet. Really, that's keep me out of wrinkles. And I'm massing line by line. If you get horizontal wrinkles on the glabella, you mass a little bit upper, these small triangles. Probably one day I will show you how to change eyebrows position, but not today. If you need to work on your unavailable folds, you can do it. Upper lips. So I'm applied everywhere. You don't need to obtain the full absorption of this emulsion, but you must until the partial absorption. All the rest will do the mask. Okay, so the next step, it's a mask. We are offering the similar mask for the home care, but this one is more intense. And we are using it only in professional treatment, and now you get an opportunity to use it by yourself at home, exceptionally, to stay out of wrinkles in the lockdown. So I am opening the sachet, take off the mask. It's like this. It's actually made from the bamboo fibers. They're elastic and natural, obviously, and that's imbibed by the special active gel, also containing peptides and some moisturizing and calming ingredients. So I am applying this mask on my face, and I am fixing up the mask all around my eyes, like this. And the second part of the mask I am fixing like this to provide me with some lifting effect. And after this, I just pressing a little bit, especially on the place when you applied already the concentrate. If you feel this zone of the face, glabella, forehead, crow's feet area, nasolabial, upper lips, a little bit numbed, that's perfectly normal. That's a very concentrated, intense professional product. Only one thing, please do not apply number 4 concentrate on the eyelids, never. They're too weak to be stimulated by the neuromodulating peptide. So you can apply everywhere when you get wrinkles, but not on the upper eyelids, please, once again. And you applied the mask and you can enjoy it for 20-25 minutes. When you are in the treatment room, we are offering some kind of intensifying treatment, sometimes a light therapy, radio frequency therapy, microcurrent therapy, but now we are out of clinics, out of salon, so that's like a basic part of the anti-wrinkles treatment. So you just keep it on your face and take a break for 20-25 minutes. Okay, so now 20 minutes after, I can take off the mask. I am using this 20 minutes for the stretching. You can do whatever you want. And you just take off the mask like this. You see all the redness is almost gone. In 15-20 minutes, you will be absolutely fine. And the last step, that's number 6. That's a special cream called Dermafuel. That's a universal moisturizer with prebiotics, which keep your skin well hydrated, moisturized, hold the water in the superficial level of epidermis, and help to restore the natural skin protection, the natural skin barrier, the microbiome, and the stratum corneum. You just apply this cream very generously. You see that's 3 milliliters. That's more than you used to apply, but this is professional treatment. So we are using much more products in one treatment. Actually, in one treatment, we are using 50 milliliters of different kind of product. The professional mask contains about 30 milliliters of active gel. It's like a full bottle of concentrate you're applying on your face. And that's it. The treatment is finished. So you can try to wrinkle up. For me, it's difficult because I am using this treatment for years right now. So my mimics is really slow it down. Probably for you after the first time that will be more easy, but you feel some strange feeling like something just is inside. The skin can be a little bit numbed, a little bit frozen in the area when you apply the concentrate. That's perfectly normal. And we are recommending to do this treatment once a week for the 5 weeks time. One box like this, which I showed you, contains everything for what you need for 5 treatments totally. You can do it twice a week, but that's not recommended to do it more often because your skin needs a time to digest everything what you are giving and what you're providing with. So please be careful, stay home, and stay beautiful.